Welcome back to another edition of unboxing. Today, what we're going to do, we're going to unbox the latest Apple iWatch Series 6. The first Apple iWatch was launched back in September 2014. So every year they have been coming out with new version. So Series 6 means it has been 6 years from the first version. So let's begin. Okay, can I have the watch please? Alright, it comes in a nice long rectangular box. There's an Apple Watch logo, and there's another separate box which will contain the strap. No. So this is the box that contains the watch. So they have their standard statement here, designed by Apple in California, but must be made in China. So in here we have the cable, the charging cable. So the charging cable will be the traditional USB port, and right, so this is the disc that you put your watch on, and right, so okay, this is the watch. So okay, this is the space gray 44mm Apple Watch. It comes in two sizes, 44 and 42. So the 44 is basically meant for the men's, while the smaller version will be for the ladies. So alright. So when it comes to function, facility, getting it sync, on the workability of it, that's another video. So for now, from the first unboxing, we have the Apple Watch, the charging cable, and I think Apple started not to give you the power adapter, so you have to get it separately. And default, it comes with a strap. So how do I open the strap? Need to be okay. This is the charcoal sports loop. Yeah, this is meant for sports. And in a separate box, we have the standard whole strap made of rubber. You have to keep on looking for all these small indicators where this is how you open it. Alright, so this is the black rubber strap. It comes in two sizes, the longer and the shorter one. So okay, that's it for this Apple Watch unboxing. What you get comes package is the actual watch, the band, the sports band that comes in the box, and this is a separately ordered black strap, and the charger. Alright, thank you very much. Till we meet again. Thank you. Bye.